Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Toyota Tundra SR5. This is another pre-owned spotlight here at Quirk Automotive. Go ahead, take a quick look around the truck. Previous owner installed this back rack, which is pretty unique. Really nice interior. Really nice truck. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hit the road. Alright, and now onto the drive of this 2019 Tundra. So far, I like it a lot. No complaints. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. Really smooth, no complaints at all. So this one has just over 31,000 miles. Looks like this thing is taken excellent care of. It looks brand new, honestly. That's a little business card holder. That's pretty, or envelope you can fit there. That's pretty unique. This V8 pulls like a freight train. I love all the interfaces here, and this isn't even the fully loaded one. This is probably about mid-level, mid to base level. All the interfaces are really nice. All the touch points feel high quality. And it's Toyota, so at the end of the day, it's going to be reliable. No issues whatsoever. You do have sport with manual mode, but even just in drive, the transmission's great. It tells you time until rest, your miles per gallon, your trip time, your speed. You can go through audio, your safety features, any messages, and settings. So you can do everything right in that little center infotainment screen. Do have four-wheel drive, nice and easy to use. Pretty cool. This thing drives awesome, actually. I really like this thing. Visibility's excellent out of it. No gigantic blind spots. Just, you know, the A-pillars and stuff like that. Nothing crazy. This is a good truck. I mean, it's 2019 too, with 31,000 miles. I mean, there's Tundras out there that have a million miles on them, and that's not being sarcastic. There's a Tundra that hit 1 million miles, and I believe Toyota gave them a new truck. It was pretty cool. But honestly, other than the miles, I wouldn't know that this is a pre-owned truck. It's that well taken care of. Steering wheel isn't really worn down much at all. There's no scratches or anything. It's really, really pretty truck. Especially on this white on black. That's pretty cool. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.